If you're a fashion enthusiast like me, stop scrolling. Our sequin Sarah Maxi dress will change your life.
What if I told you the viral TikTok style ads you see every day, not made by real people? AI can create 100% user generated content ads that look, sound, and feel authentic. And the best part is, you don't need influencer, actor, or a big budget. Let me show you how. I have tested this AI tool, and this could generate a script, voice, and even human-like faces on camera. The results were mind-blowing, and the ads converted just like real UGC. So what you need to do, you need to go to captions and have a free account for ChatGPT. Mostly you see on the internet, the AI platforms which creates the video like this one, they need you to subscribe first to test the platform. So they are not paying me. This is not a paid promotion, but as always, I share with you guys all the good stuff which I have tested myself, and I think that it's worth sharing with you. So this one is a really good tool, and I thought I should make a video about this one. And most important, if you guys like any of my videos, just hit the like button. It's free and it helps the algorithm to push my videos. And if you really think that the video information helps you a lot, also hit the subscribe button. So it helps me keep pushing and making more videos for you guys. So let's get back to the video. What you need to do to have the caption account is an email account. Just sign up for it and it's free. You don't need to purchase the pro to test the platform. All these videos I have created here, I have created for free. So when you want to export the videos you have created, you need the pro version, and it is not really expensive. It is around like $10 or $20 per month. So that's a really good platform if you are into UGC ads and you want to create it for yourself or for the clients, and you don't want to hire expensive actors, have a full studio setup. So this platform is really good, and also for the e-commerce, because the e-commerce production and the video editing is really expensive. So this platform is really good for e-commerce also, and it's really easy. What you need to do, just sign up for this platform and then go to AI Creator. You can also create your own twin. So you can see here, I had uploaded my own video. You just need to upload the 5 minutes or 3 minutes video, drop it to the camera, and you can create your own twin. You can create as many versions of yourself. You can upload your own voice, and then it will sync your voice with your face, and it will sync the lip syncs with your face, and you just need to use a ChatGPT to create the script. You can create a whole long form video for YouTube or anything. You don't need to be every time on the camera and recording videos like this and then go to editing. So it will save you a lot of time. I have seen many YouTube channels who are doing this. They're just creating the whole long form videos using their twin and the script, and they're uploading on the internet. And the thing is, they're providing really good information. So all ends in the end, it all depends on the information which you're providing on the internet. If it's useful, no one cares if it is a UGC or you're talking to the camera. So what you need to do, just go to AI Creator and click on AI ads. So here you get two different options. The first one is the link. You just paste your link there, the product link, and it will fetch all the information from your website, from the product page, also the description, images, and everything. So you don't need to manually upload all the images and then like waste all the time on one product. It will do everything for you. And for the create manually, this one is all manual. You can upload all your images if the product is not on the internet. You can upload it here and then put the description, name, and everything, and choose the character which will be describing your product, and then you're good to go. And the same process will happen here, but it will be automatic. So let's paste our product link here and we'll hit next. So now it has fetched everything from the website using the link we have provided. Where it collects all the images, the product images, and if you don't like any of them, you can just simply delete them from here. So once everything is good, you can create one, select your script. So if scripting is the one which UGC, your character will be speaking. So what you need to do after this, it will give you different type of version of the script, like problem solving script and all those hooks and the cliffhangers and the points which you need to have in your script will be here. So you can use this. Otherwise, if you already have your proven script, you can just go to custom and put your script here. That will you have both options. So that's really amazing. So I'm going to go with the target audience and click on edit style. So in the edit style, it will give you like many different UGC characters. I really love this that there is not a limited options. I haven't counted them, but there are more than 50 of them, definitely. Like a lot of them. Mostly like the ages are also different, the environment, everything you get here, it's really good. So I'm going to go with this one, and they also have a really good captions. So what we can do this, select this one and create generate ad. So it will generate ad for you here, and this is for the product one. So if you're running the e-commerce one, you can use this one. It will generate the video for you. And the good thing about this platform, which I really like, is that after they generate the ad, it is editable. So you can edit the same ad inside the platform, inside the tool. You don't need to download the ad and go to different platform and then edit it. So you can do it everything here in the same platform. Just click on that. It will give you the edit screen and edit your ad. If you want to cut something from the ad or change the captions or do any styling, you can do in the same platform. The only thing is, once you have done everything and you want to export the video, that's when you need the pro version. And the pro version is not really expensive. I think it's around $15 or $20 per month. But the people who really needs the UGC ads for their clients or for their products, this platform is really good, and there's no glitch. I have used this platform for different type of ads, and I really like it. And for the same UGC character scripting, you just need to go to prompt to video, and here you can simply add your script. Use ChatGPT, write a script for your old video, for YouTube video, or for your um, ads video. Put the script here. It will ask you the same. Select the UGC character and the captions. Edit your script inside the tool, and then hit enter. Once you do that, it will give you the videos like this one. So I will add some of these video ads into this video, so to show you what will be the final results. Give it a try. So I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. Till then, take care. Bye.
If you're a fashion enthusiast like me, stop scrolling. Our sequin Sarah Maxi dress will change your life. Fashion enthusiast like me, stop scrolling. Our sequin Sarah Maxi dress will change your life. Imagine turning heads at your next event with a deep. If you're a fashion enthusiast like me, stop scrolling.